Hey signers, do you ever feel like your fingers just can't keep up when you're fingerspelling? Well, you're not alone, and I've got the solution. I've compiled 20 tips to ramp up your fingerspelling speed. Are you ready? Let's learn how to sign faster with fingerspelling. Number 1, master the basics first. Ensure that you know all the hand shapes and movements for each letter of the alphabet accurately. Speed comes with proficiency. Number 2, maintain a consistent hand position. Keep your hand at a steady height near your chin or shoulder to minimize unnecessary movement. This consistency helps increase speed. Number 3, keep your movements smooth and fluid. Practice transitioning smoothly from one letter to the next without having abrupt stops. Fluidity enhances speed. Number 4, focus on clarity over speed initially. Start by fingerspelling clearly at a comfortable pace. As you become more confident, gradually increase your speed while maintaining clarity. Number 5, learn common letter combinations. Practice frequently used letter pairs or clusters, like ST, ING, TION, to build muscle memory for those sequences. Number 6, use minimal finger movements. Move only the fingers necessary for each letter. Keeping unused fingers relaxed conserves energy and increases speed. Number 7, practice double letters efficiently. For double letters, make a slight movement or a bounce to indicate the repetition without pausing. Number 8, visualize the whole word. Instead of thinking about each individual letter, visualize the entire word to help you fingerspell more fluidly. Number 9, increase finger dexterity. Perform fingerspelling exercises to improve flexibility and speed. Simple activities like playing with a stress ball or practicing piano scales can help. Or squishies. We have a lot of them. Number 10, watch and mimic fluent signers. Observe native and fluent signers fingerspelling quickly and try to imitate their pacing and style. Number 11, record yourself practicing. Video yourself to identify areas where you can improve speed and fluidity. I know this might be intimidating, but I promise it will help. Number 12, use a metronome or timer. Set a steady rhythm for your practice sessions and gradually increase the tempo as you become more comfortable. Number 13, incorporate fingerspelling into your daily life. Practice by fingerspelling words you see around you, street signs, items at the grocery store, or words in a book. Brian. 14, stay relaxed. Tension can slow you down. Keep your hands and fingers relaxed to allow for quicker movements. 15, practice perception skills. Improving your ability to read others' fingerspelling can in turn enhance your own speed as you become more familiar with the flow of words. 16, get feedback from others. Practice with friends and in a deaf community group where you can receive constructive feedback. 17, set achievable goals. Establish specific, measurable goals for your speed improvement to keep yourself motivated. And when you reach that goal, celebrate it. 18, emphasize consistency over quick gains. Regular, consistent practice is more effective than sporadic, intensive sessions. 19, address your mistakes. Highlight typical errors that slow down your fingerspelling, such as overemphasizing movement or pausing between letters, and then practice fixing those mistakes. 20, patience and persistence. Increasing fingerspelling speed is a gradual process that requires patience. You've got this. Just keep practicing. Now that I've given you 20 fingerspelling tips, do you have any tried and true fingerspelling tips? Let us know in the comments. We love knowing what is working for you. And we have several fingerspelling exercise videos. So check out this playlist and start practicing. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.